In this video, I will give you the derivation of trigonometric identities, which are the first one we use as sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second is sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And the third one, which is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So we will derive these identities one by one. For this, we need one right angle triangle, any right angle triangle. You can name it ABC, XYZ, whatever you like. I have taken ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree, and the base angle is theta. Okay. Now in this triangle ABC we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So in this triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now this is the main equation for all these three derivations. And to get these relations, we will divide this equation one by one by using AC, AB and BC. So first I am dividing this equation by AC square. So by dividing equation number 1 by AC square, we get AC square upon AC square is equal to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. Now you can see these two can be cut. We will get 1. So 1 is equal to, now this AB square upon AC square can be written as AB upon AC whole square plus BC square upon AC square can be written as BC upon AC whole square. That implies 1 is equal to. Now in this triangle, if you look at the ratio for the base angle theta, AB upon AC perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that gives you sine square theta. I have used square here because this ratio AB upon AC is whole square. So when you write AB upon AC, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is sine theta, because of square it will come sine square theta, plus BC upon AC, that is base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to cos. So we will write here cos square theta. Now children, here you have to be careful that it cannot be written as sine theta whole square or cos theta whole square, because we can only square the ratio but we can't square the angle. Therefore we get 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. We can rearrange it. It is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we get the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.